Okay, so we're back. We got our running board off, 6 bolts removed. Rocker panel looks in reasonable condition, nothing crazy about it. A couple of the bolts were a little bit stubborn, but we got her done. One of the things I forgot to mention before is there are a couple of connectors right there for the module. The control module for the running board. So we'll come over here to the bench where we've got the running board. There's the module, and there's the connector for the motor that we disconnected before. Now, the problem with these is there's no way to grease. Like you can see, I've put a little bit of penetrating oil on there. There's no way to grease these pins. The pin is press fit into there, and you can see the end of the pin there and there, as well as down there. So what you'll likely have to do is take a punch and a hammer and drive out those pins just a little bit. So if you put your punch right in there and in there, just give it a couple good smacks with a hammer. You want to see the pin move just a little bit. See how you can see them kind of poking out a little bit? And the only reason we do that is so that the grease can migrate to all the surface area in there. So today what we're going to do is actually add grease nipples so that these pins can be greased without having to take anything apart or use a hammer and chisel or anything like that. And hopefully we won't have to do this to this truck again. I did it to the other side. That's how we got the other one working really nice. So the grease nipples are going to end up on the bottom, and even when they're out, you won't be able to see them. We'll just have a quick peek on the other side. You can see the 4 grease nipples way under the truck there. Sorry, I don't have my light right now. Here, let's see if we can get a better look at that. Okay, we're back with a light here. See that I've actually added 6 grease nipples. And for those of you who are wondering, and yes, I can count, there's 4 that you can see right there. And then we're going to add 2 more there and there. And I'll even share with you what size of drill bit I use. We want to drill right into the bushing and even a little bit into the shaft. These are aluminum brackets, so you don't want to make the holes too big or too close to the edge. You'll sacrifice the integrity. You know, then you get an overweight person step on the running board and it comes apart or anything like that. We don't want to create any safety issues. So but anyway, we want to drill all the way through the bushing until you see copper start coming out on the drill bit, and then we use a larger drill bit to drill the hole so that we can add the grease nipples.